GoGun USA proudly introduces the SuperComp XL, the latest in a family of SuperComp brakes. Using patented SuperComp design, its unique axial ports allow performance superior to other brakes. Using mixing chambers, baffles, and axial ports, its unique design enables minimal recoil and the fastest return to zero of any brake that we know of. The original SuperComp Talon brake with trade dress Talon tips is great for most tactical purposes and when entry, persuasion, or just plain looking cool is desired. The SuperComp No Talon is great for all-around purposes, great value, and yet is still battle tough. The SuperComp XL is for the ultimate in recoil reduction and fastest return to zero, even in heavy calibers.
I like that. Come straight back at you.
Pitch from Michael Shaw.
That definitely has more kick. Same gun, just more kick.
Pitch for Justin.
That's a lot different.
Was that a little easier?
Doesn't even feel like a 308 anymore. You guys. I'll go with 22.
Like a 22. Yeah. There we go. You like that?
Sure it is.
What do you think?
I mean, it's steady. I mean, I didn't even see any muzzle flip or anything. Perfect.
The SuperComp XL brake is available at the gas pedal store and other fine retailers.